Hello guys, welcome back to another Blender beginners tutorial. This is our part 3. If you have not watched the part 1 and 2, the link is in the description. So let's start. So today we are going to make some particle systems. So just delete the default cube. Let's shift A and add a plane. Press S and scale it in 10. Enter. Now we are going to add a circle. So just add a circle, just press G and Z and just move it up a little bit. And now press tab to go to the edit mode. Here are the modes. We have to go to the edit mode. Now press F to fill the circle. Now we have filled the circle. So now you can again go to the object mode by pressing tab or simply by going in the options. Now we have to go to the particle system. So just press this plus sign to add a particle system. So we have here emitter. So now just play the animation by pressing space key or by just clicking over here. So now we can see the particles are falling from the circle. If we have not do the filling the circle, then something must be happen like this. So let's try it. Add a circle again and grab it, the Z axis, move it up and add again a particle system. So now just play it. Now you can see it just falling from the center. So it's necessary to fill up the circle. Go in the edit mode by pressing tab. Now just again in the object mode, grab it on the Z axis, move it up a little bit. Now particle system plus sign. As you can see, the particles are falling. Now just let's see the options in the particle settings. The number. So now we can change the number over here. So let's do it 5000. So now the frame start. So let's start it at 20. The number we will put here, the particles will start falling from that number. So now we can see the particles start falling from 20. So we can do it like 50. As you can see, the particles start falling from the 50th frame. So we will do the end at like 170. So the particles will stop falling at the 170. So we will just make the lifetime at 60. So here are the all options for the catch, velocity. You can just adjust it as we want. We can make some tornadoes, rain, anything in this particle system. And the other thing in this is the hair. So now let's take a look at the hair. Let's stop the animation and go in the hair. So as you can see, the hair type has gone up from the circle. So let's not take the circle for this, let's take the plane. So let's right click to select the plane and add and get it to the hair. As you can see, a hair type structure is formed. So let's take out the number 2, add one more 0. So it has become dense. So hair length we can do it to 2 centimeter. meter, sorry. So we can just go in hair dynamics, just on it, and let's go down to the viewport display. Let's standard steps to 3. Okay, now we can see the hair. So let's see some more options. We have source over here, particle face, as you can change it, so it's just a little bit side. Now let's see the render option. It's just to render the animation we have made. Let's go to hair shape. The hair shape we can take just a little bit, and field weights, yes, we have all options over here. Okay, let's just close it all. Let's cut it. So it's over for today, so let's meet in the next part. Thank you.